I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling with a login error on WhatsApp, follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the app. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates for WhatsApp. An outdated app can cause login issues. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your device and turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 4. Clear app cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp and select Clear Cache. This can help fix any corrupted data causing the error. Note, be careful not to select Clear Data, as this will erase your chat history. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the problem persists, uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it from the App Store. This can resolve any underlying issues with the app installation. I hope these steps help you resolve your login error quickly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.